Hi everyone, back with another new easy keto recipe. We've got a double cheddar cheese, brat, and cauliflower hot dish. This will serve 2 to 3 people. Here's what you will need. You'll need brats, the riced cauliflower, the double cheddar cheese Regu sauce, pink salt and pepper, and then just a fry pan and a spatula. Let's start by heating up our brats in our fry pan with a little bit of water. And there it is there. I'm using the Beer Brats by Johnsonville. You can use any brats you want. And turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. And then we're going to heat up our cauliflower rice in the microwave. Mine takes around 5 to 6 minutes. And you'll see it in the microwave here. And then just keep stirring your brats around until they're fully cooked. Now, they do come fully cooked. Mine did. I just had to heat them. Then cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Then you're going to throw your cooked cauliflower over the top of it. It was an entire bag. And then 1 cup of the double cheddar cheese Regu sauce. There's a picture there of all of it together. Add over it heavily pink salt and pepper to taste. Give this a good stir. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it to a simmer and let everything just come together, the flavors, for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then go ahead and serve up. Now, I made this into 2 servings, which would be 13 net carbs a serving. So it's a little bit carby, but I only do 1 meal a day. But yeah, you can make this into 3, and it was really delicious. All these things are just so easy to put together, but taste amazing. Definitely try this out. I think even, again, your kids would enjoy this. And always remember, everybody, to keep it keto.